Welcome to this tutorial on creating custom dialogues. If you're looking for creating custom dialogues like these stylish and modern, you clicked on the right video, so let's get started. Open up Android Studio. Click on New Flutter Project. Make sure to select Flutter SDK path and Next. Add project name, custom_dialog. Create. It's creating. May it take little time to done. Over project has created. First of all, we will remove these comments. And also remove this My Home Page class. Now we will create home screen class, so click on lib folder new Dart file. Home.screen. Import material package. Create a stateless class, give it name home screen. Copy class name. Go to main class and remove this. Paste here and import home screen class. Get back to home screen. Now we need a dependency to add in our project. For this, we will come to this website. Link is in the description. Type quick alert and search it. Come down and click on this dependency quick alert. Click on installing and copy this command. Open up your terminal and paste it here. Enter it. Start adding dependency in our project. Done. Now remove this placeholder. Add scaffold. And add body. In the body, we will add a text button. Child text. Show dialog. Remove this const keyword. Add const keyword here. Wrap with center widget. Import quick alert package. Quick alert.show. Type quick alert type dot. Success. Text here we give the text. I will paste this text. You can write whatever you want to give. Done for now. Let's check it. Our app is building. It will take little time to done. Here is our stylish success dialog. Let's see some more functionality. Here are the all functionality we can perform. Let's try some more dialog. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.